we've got some exciting news straight from the Taiwanese NCC about Google's upcoming Pixel 9 series. Let's dive right in. First up, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. We're seeing clear images for the first time, and it looks like Google is refining the foldable concept with a slimmer design and a less noticeable crease. They've also moved the inner selfie camera to the screen's corner, which is a neat adjustment. Another significant change is the new square camera arrangement, replacing the long camera bar seen in previous Pixel models. This not only gives it a fresh look, but also hints at potential camera improvements. Now, for the Pixel 9 Pro XL, we're looking at faster charging speeds, up to 32.67 watts, with support for 35-watt charging. That's a step up from the Pixel 8 Pro and suggests quicker juice-ups for your phone. Battery sizes across the board have also been revealed. From the Pixel 9's 4,270 mAh to the 5,100 mAh in the Pixel 9 Pro XL, Google seems focused on keeping these phones powered up for longer. As for connectivity, all models are certified for Thread, but keep in mind, the base Pixel 9 doesn't support USB, which is available in other variants. Overall, these leaks give us a promising look at what Google has in store for its next-gen Pixel phones. Remember, these details are unofficial, so stay tuned for the official announcement at the Made by Google event. What are your thoughts on these leaks? Drop them in the comments below in the world of Google. It looks like the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL are making headlines again, with some fresh details leaking out. Recently, a user named Pixin shared 2 videos on TikTok, giving us a sneak peek at these upcoming devices. Let's dive in and see what's new.
Inside my world of make-believe, kids screaming in the corridors, profanities. I see through eyes covered in bleach. Cause all the ones who make me cry and watch me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading.
First up, we have the Pixel 9. It features a sleek, glossy rear panel, which gives it a premium look. The size is expected to be around 6.24 inches, perfect for those who prefer a more compact device. Now, shifting gears to the Pixel 9 Pro XL. This bad boy comes with a matte finish, designed to resist fingerprints and smudges. It also boasts a larger 6.73-inch screen, making it ideal for multimedia enthusiasts. What's interesting is the design difference between these two models. The smaller Pixel 9 has a glossy finish, while the Pro XL opts for a matte look. And notice how the flat side rails are reversed between the two, giving each a distinct appearance. Moving on to the camera department, we get a clear view of the camera bar on the Pixel 9 Pro XL. It's noticeably thicker compared to other models, ensuring top-notch photography and videography capabilities. To put things into perspective, here's a quick comparison with the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, which sports a 6.8-inch screen. You can see how these devices stack up against each other in terms of size and design.
My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes.
So there you have it, a sneak peek at what Google has in store for us with the Pixel 9 and 9 Pro XL. What are your thoughts on these leaks? Let me know in the comments below. Today, we're diving into some exciting news about Google's highly anticipated Pixel 9 series. Following the success of the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, the tech world is buzzing with anticipation for what Google has in store next. Expected to launch this fall, the Pixel 9 series is set to offer not 1, not 2, but 3 distinct models, catering to different preferences and needs. This expansion introduces a new dimension to the buying decision, promising exciting new features for all types of users. For fans of compact phones, Google is introducing a smaller, more pocket-friendly device in the Pixel 9 series, equipped with a brand new telephoto lens. This move underscores Google's commitment to catering to diverse consumer preferences. Now, contrary to some speculations, this move isn't a sudden shift in strategy for Google. Plans for multiple variants of the Pixel 9 have been in the works for some time now, aligning with earlier leaks and rumors. Design-wise, the Pixel 9 series is expected to refine its aesthetics with a redesigned camera bar, reminiscent of the Pixel Fold, featuring sleek flat edges that follow the design trends set by industry giants like Apple and Samsung. Moving on to the Pixel 9 Pro, the flagship model in the series promises premium features such as a telephoto sensor, all packed into a compact form factor. This mirrors Apple's successful product strategy, offering high-end specs in a smaller package. Real-world photos of the Pixel 9 Pro reveal a stunning design, sporting a matte glass back and glossy frame that stay true to earlier renders. Beyond aesthetics, both the Pixel 9 Pro and its non-Pro counterpart are expected to deliver significant hardware and software upgrades. The new Tensor G4 chip promises improved performance over its predecessor, coupled with a Samsung modem that enhances networking capabilities. Moreover, the Pixel 9 series will likely debut with Android 15, offering advancements in AI integration for a superior user experience. So whether you're a fan of compact phones or looking for top-tier performance, the Pixel 9 series seems poised to deliver something for everyone. Stay tuned as we bring you more updates on Google's latest tech innovations. Welcome back to my channel 5MKR Tech, and today we've got something really exciting lined up for you. That's right, in this video, we're diving into the world of mobile leaks. We scoured the internet to bring you the juiciest details about upcoming Google Pixel 9 Pro. Today, we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Google's flagship smartphones. Yes, you guessed it right, the Pixel series. The Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro have taken the smartphone world by storm, reigning supreme at the top of Google's lineup. But hold on to your seats, folks, because there's a storm of rumors swirling around the impending arrival of the Google Pixel 8. Despite these rumors, the Pixel 8 and 8 Pro still hold the crown for being the most powerful devices out there. But what about the Pixel 9? That's where things get really interesting. While concrete details about the Pixel 9 family are scarce, whispers in the tech corridor suggest that Google is gearing up for some substantial changes this time around. Picture this: her revamped appearance, enhanced AI capabilities, and perhaps even the return of the XL models. It's all on the table. Now, let's talk aesthetics. Leaked renders of the Pixel 9 series indicate some significant design overhauls. We're talking about a redesigned camera visor, flat sides,